Just go with it. That is so much better.
I think that's gonna be good, boys.
What's going on, guys? Today we are finally getting the Duramax truly roadworthy. Y'all know we did the lift kit in the last video and I am absolutely loving it. But we got to get this thing properly aligned because y'all see the front tire? It's straight. That's bad. I don't know how I managed that. But of course, anytime you do a suspension change, especially a full-blown lift kit, you're going to have to get in alignment. Our new setup is coming and that's why we got to get this thing aligned because I was going to wait on that, but I want to put the new ones on and just go driving. So we got to get this thing properly aligned, as well as we have a new product to install from Edge. Get her first time hopping in over here. She says it's going to be no big deal. Move those pliers.
What do I hold on to?
It's no big deal. Remember, it's not that tall.
I asked, what do I hold on to?
You don't. You just got to jump.
You just like...
Just go with it.
Great.
Just go with it. Uh-huh.
That one was hard.
Yeah. First little POV drive in the big girl. It is huge. Let's see it. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be. At least not on this side at the moment. Half a turn. I thought it was going to be way off. Boys, we are officially all lined up. Truck drives so much better. Got Jacob's new truck. Y'all seen his black one. It's pretty much just the new version of it. Crew cab on the graps. We definitely got to do a new gearbox at some point because it's a little sloppy in here, but truck finally does not pull to the right anymore. Nice and smooth. Are about to make some glorious noises. It feels so big. Good gravy. All right, let's hit the window. So everybody knows the Insight and the Evolution. Amazing product made by Edge. Helps you monitor everything that's going on with your truck. And pretty much everybody mounts it just like I have right here using the supplied suction cup. Well, it's out of the way for the most part, but it definitely could be a little bit better. And I don't like being able to see the suction cup from the outside of the truck. Well, fortunately, after all these years, Edge has finally come out with some new mounts. These are going to actually hook directly onto the pillar. No more suction cup. Should be cleaner. Should be actually a little closer, easier to see. And overall, it's just going to be much better. There we go. So just like that, we're going to take our Allen key and we should just basically screw this in, and it's going to put pressure on it and hold it. Now let's just stick this on. Come up a little bit with it. Oh boy, that is going to be That's it right there. That's money. That's money, dude. That is freaking awesome. Completely out of the way. Just that tiny little corner. You can see so much better. It's closer. I can actually reach it while driving. Don't have to lean up. No more suction cup. Dude, that is super clean. I'm gonna tuck my wire in just a little bit more. Run it right down the pillar. But dude, that's killer. Since we got to park this here, and Larry, I guess I could park in there. Probably should start doing that. Keep the sun off of it. But the birds, man, they just freaking crap everywhere. So we have this up here swinging around. I'm hoping it will keep the birds at bay. So I think that's going to be good, boys. Hopefully, you know, the wind will keep it pushing around and keep the birds out of here. That'd be great. Probably gonna shake y'all's teeth. Oh yeah, smooth as butter, boy. Quick rundown on the drivability and enjoyment of this thing. So, for one, you get a lot more looks now that this thing is big. It's not just the occasional or, you know, people that notice, hey, there's a clean LBZ. It's everyone because the truck's tall, which I know it's not SEMA truck big, but like my Tacoma, it was huge ground clearance wise, but not height wise. It was like as tall roof line as like a leveled F-150 versus this, which is pretty freaking high. So everybody's looking up at you or just noticing that, hey, there's a big truck. Plus it's red, so that's that. But it's a definite like increase in looks just by being big like this. Now, drivability, or not drivability, comfort. Comfort of the truck, I would say, is honestly maybe very slightly improved. Very slightly. Bumps and stuff, I feel like they're almost the same as when it was leveled on the keys, 3-inch Motovab keys. So you kind of see me bouncing. I feel like we probably need to do the cab mounts or whatever they are. I feel like that would probably smooth it out some, but bumps and stuff, not super crazy smooth, not super harsh. You know, I have experienced everything from brand new truck, riding like a Cadillac, to super clapped out OBS suspension, everything in between. So it's all like personal, how you feel about some stuff, because this might ride amazing to some people and terrible to others. But as far as compared to before, slightly better. I feel like obviously having the new shocks helps, but it didn't decline any in the comfort, which is great. Now, drivability, I feel like is actually improved. The truck drives straight down the road. A lot of cases when you go from leveled to lifted, you really have to focus more on driving. You have to have more inputs. It possibly could be less enjoyable to drive because you're having to focus more. Whereas this, I'm just very minute inputs. Aside from a little bit of slop and steering wheel, we'll do a gearbox down the road. Love it. It drives better than it did previously, which is huge. Anytime you do a mod that either keeps it at baseline or improves it, you're doing right. If y'all are constantly working on trucks like me, you got to get some of this crap right here. It just melts off all this grit and grime. Just take it, spray it on there, let it sit for a couple minutes. Let me show you what happens. That crap works so freaking good. It's just... Oh, round two. streaming on. But the Duramax, I'm super excited with. I'm having a blast with it. Hopefully y'all are enjoying it being lifted. Hopefully y'all are enjoying all the content around it. And we can really get started on it now as soon as our wheels, our new setup is on, which should be the next video, because I wanted to wait to really get started on this thing until after we lifted it, because I knew from the get-go we were going to be lifting it. I didn't want to do a bunch of stuff and then put the lift on and not have any content to do. So I've been holding off, which I'm sure a lot of y'all know. Like, the freaking crack in the windshield's been driving me nuts, but I figured it'd be a fun video to have Mr. Windshield Repair Guy come out and fix or replace the windshield in my big jacked up lifted truck rather than just a normal level truck. So even stuff like that I've been holding off on. Either way, I don't want this too rambly. Leave a like if you've been enjoying. Comment down below. If you're new, be sure to subscribe. It really does help. Share it with your buddies. Hopefully y'all did enjoy. Comment down below. Let me know. I'll see y'all in the next one.